Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buck Ning, and today we are going to give you an update on our dividend tracker, our portfolio, and show you the increase in a position, which is RBC, ticker symbol RY, RBC short for Royal Bank of Canada. And then we will also answer a question that was submitted by in a comment section, just asking if dividends are increased over time for holding that stock. And so we will definitely talk about that, but first and foremost, we will update you guys on the portfolio. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. If you're not new, welcome back. And so we'll just dive right into it. So for the day here, we are down $123.24, which I don't think is right. I think there was some maintenance going on with Wealthsimple Trade, but down 5.1%. For the week there, we are up $56.17, up 2.51%. Like, I think this is definitely out of calibration, and there's probably a fix on that or something. But for the month, we are up $41.84, up 1.86%. For the 3 months, we are up $280, up 13.93%. And for the year, we are up $298.43, up 14.96%, and all is the same. Yeah, there's definitely some calculations that are not correct there, and I think Wealthsimple is going to be fixing that. It's just kind of off there. But we will start with BCE, which is Bell. They are closed out at $55.26, up 10 cents today, up 0.18%. We own 2 shares, total value of $110.52. Our average price is $58.05. It holds about 4.95% of the portfolio. Today's return was 20 cents, up 0.18%. Total return since owning the position is down $5.58, down 4.81%. So that is the first one. BMO closing out at $99.86, up 62 cents, up 0.62%. For the day, we own 5 shares of BMO. Total value of the position is $499.30. Our average price is $81.32 currently. It holds 22.35% of this portfolio. Today's return was $3.10, up 0.62%. Our total return since owning the position is $92.70, up 22.8%. Next position is Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS, closing out for the week at 68.06, down 93 cents, down 1.35%. We own 7 shares. Our total position value is $476.42. Our average price is $54.58, holds 21.33% of the portfolio. Today's return, we were down $6.51, down 1.35%. But since owning this position, we are up $94.37, up 24.7%. And that is Bank of Nova Scotia. Next position is Loblaws. Closing out at $65.11, up 78 cents today, up 1.21%. We own 3 shares of Loblaws, total position value of $195.33. Our average price was $64.02. It holds about 8.75% of the portfolio. Today's return was $2.34, up 1.21%. And our total return since owning the position is $3.26, up 1.7%. Next one is Manulife Financial Corporation, closing out at $23.97 for the week, up 1 cent for the day, up 0.04%. We own 17 shares of this company. Total position value of $407.49. Our average price is $19.26. It holds about 18.24% of the portfolio. Today's return was 17 cents, up 0.04%, and our total return since owning this position is $80.05. Total of 24.45%. The next position and the newest position is Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY, closing out at 107.98, down 9 cents today, down 0.08%. We currently own 2 shares because we did add to the position. Our total position value currently is $215.96. Our average price is 106.10. It holds about 9.67% of the portfolio. Today's return is 11 cents, up 0.05%. And our total return since owning this position is $3.76, up 1.77%. If everyone's curious, we did purchase this. We increased the position on the 8th, which was yesterday, or Friday, and we bought it at $107.78 to add to the position. So now we currently own 2 shares of Royal Bank of Canada, and we'll continue adding to this position for the rest of January, except for last week, because the ex-dividend date I do believe is January 24th, and so we have to own that position in order to get the dividend payment for February. So just a side note on that one. The next position that we have is TELUS Corporation, closing out at $26.55. It was up 24 cents on the day, up 0.91%. We own 4 shares. Total value of the position is $106.20. Our average price is $25.36. It holds about 4.75% of the portfolio. Today's return is up 96 cents, up 0.91%. Our total return since owning this position is $4.76, up 4.69%. And last but not least, our final position in this portfolio is Toronto Dominion Bank, TD, closing out at $74.11 for the week. We are up 5 cents, up 0.07%. We own 3 shares of TD. Total position value of $222.33. Our average price is $71.94, and it holds about 9.95% of the portfolio. Today's return was 15 cents. Our total return is $6.50 since owning this position, up 3.01%. And so that is the whole portfolio for today. And we will go ahead and update the tracker so we can see the increase in our annual income for dividends. We are about to break that $100 mark, which is super, super exciting. And so from our last update there, portfolio value was $2,124. Dividend yield, if you were to build the portfolio as of Friday, this whole portfolio would be 4.24%. Our yield on cost is 4.88% since owning the positions at some positions at a lower price than what they're at today. And then the annual income from dividends is $90 per year. So we will go ahead and add a new holding. Ticker symbol is RY.TO. There it is. We got 1 share of that, and the cost basis of this one was $107.78. And we'll add that and let it do its thing, and boom, we have now increased a few things here. Some things have decreased, but that's okay. Portfolio value has gone up from a little bit there to $2,232, which is correct. If you were to build this portfolio with the newest position today, your yield on this whole portfolio would be 4.23%. But because we are averaging dollar cost averaging, our yield on cost is 4.83%. So we are getting a bit more than if you were to build it today. And then the annual income increased from $90 to $94 of annual income per year. So we're gonna probably break $100 a year this month, which is always exciting to hit that milestone and then continue to double from there if we can. This year, I think we could get to a few $100, even $400 maybe, depending on whether companies decide to increase their dividends this year or put that to a stop just with the way things are going. So we'll head back to this here and answer the question, which was submitted by Charles, I think in the comment section. I'm not going to put it here, but he had asked, do your dividends increase the longer you hold a stock that does pay a dividend? And that is a question of yes or no. It depends on the company, whether the company decides to increase their dividends to their investors or not. That's why we talk about dividend growth year over year. Royal Bank is one of those. Year over year, they've increased their dividends for 8 straight years. at an average about 7.5%. So it's not like it happens every single quarter or every half a year. It's about every single year that they decide to do that, and it's based on what the board decides or the company decides if they will be increasing that based on where the company is at, or they decide to grow the company or to give back some of the profits to investors. And so hopefully that does answer your question, guys. But that's it for the video here. We are on our way to get that $100 a year income from dividends, which is super exciting. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and thank you again for the continued support, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next one. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.